What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and it's just another live trading video. I have taken one setup already on GU, but it was an L. I'll go over it at like the end of the video maybe. It wasn't a good setup. It was an okay setup. But right now, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. So there is a GU supply right here that I'm looking at, and then there's a GJ one. I prefer this GU one. Looks so much better, so much cleaner, and that's just what I'm waiting for. So we're just gonna see what happens, and hopefully one of these setups do end up respecting, and then we can get in that breaker candle. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when something happens. GJ is tapping into the supply, but I would prefer to wait for GU. So we're just gonna see how GJ reacts from the supply, and then gonna see if I'm gonna get in or not. Okay, so I'm accepting the risk on GJ. It's not like the best setup, but it is a valid setup. So we're just gonna see what happens on this. I got on like right a breaker candle. I think spreads got me a bit lower, but yeah. And I just want to say thanks for 1K subs. I really appreciate everyone who's been subbing, who's been on the same while following my journey and just helping me out. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for 1K. I'm not gonna stop grinding now. The next goal is 10K. I want to hit that in, I'm not sure, but I know I want to hit that. So we on to the next goal now, and thank you. I just closed GJ because it is not looking good. I don't know what it's doing. I was pretty much by my 0.7% risk. So I closed GJ. And I think I'm done for today. I've had 2 fakeouts. Literally, they both happened in like 5 minutes. I'm just quickly going to do a trade breakdown for you guys on both of the setups, so I can also go over them. So the GU setup, the 2 things I didn't like about this setup is that we are breaking a high to get to the supply zone, and we have a double bottom right here. Well, pretty much a double bottom right here. which is a bullish sign. So those are the two things that I didn't really like, but the 200 EMA was good, and we coming up to a high probability supply zone, and all we did was get in. So that candle tapped, and then all I did was wait for break of the candle, and then I got in at break of the candle, had stops above, and then that was all I took, and then it just hit stop loss in like 2 candles. So it was a quick fake out on GU, and then it just went up for a bit and then just dropped, and then I was waiting for this supply over here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna get there. So yeah, that is the setup that I took on GU. And then on GJ, we just took this setup right now. This was a trash setup. I'm not too sure why I got into this. There's pretty much like no breaker structure. Like we had that, but that's not really considered a breaker structure. It had to break this low here, but I don't know what this candle's doing. And then we just had a high probability supply zone right here. I got in at breaker candle, and then stop loss got hit, closed. Right now I'm finished for the day, but it looks like this supply up top here is going to be the one that's probably going to win. I'm not too sure if it's going to win or not, but I'm not taking this setup. I'm done for today. That also looks pretty clean, but there's no clean breaker structure, so I'm done for the day. I'm just going to come back Thursday, down like 0.7% for the week. So just going to come back Thursday, trade Thursday and Friday. Most days aren't always going to be perfect, and just like today was a terrible day. But it's all good, and I'm going to see you guys on Thursday again. That's when I'm trading. But make sure you guys just keep grinding, keep working, keep just focusing each and every day. Keep getting to the next level. It's all part of the process.